Hello everybody, it's World Education back with another video on solving one-step equations. So let's get started, guys. Alright, our first example is when you have one variable and we need to add to isolate the variable. So let's take a look. Okay, so for example, let's say I had x plus, I don't know, 10 equals 40. Now, if I want to get x by itself, I need to get rid of positive 10. So, what is the opposite of plus 10? Anybody? Yes. The opposite is minus 10. And whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other. So, 10 minus 10 is 0. And we're left with x equals 40 minus 10 is 30. Done. That wasn't so bad, right? Okay, so let's move on to a subtracting example or subtraction example. So same idea. Let's say we have a single variable, and let's say I have x minus 4 equals to 12. So again, the goal is to get the variable by itself. Right here we have minus 4. So if I want to get x by itself, I have to get rid of minus 4. So what is the opposite of minus 4? Plus 4, right? And whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other. So x stays the same. Minus 4 plus 4 together, that just equals 0. And 12 plus 4 is 16. Easy peasy. All right. Let's move on to slightly more difficult problems. Here we go. Now, what if I had, I don't know, let's go with 5 times our variable x equals 40. So what this is saying is I have 5 times my variable equals 40. 5 times some unknown number equals 40. So because it's times, the opposite of times is divide. So if I want to get rid of 5 on the left, I have to divide both sides. So 5 divided by 5 cancels that out. And we get 40 divided by 5, which equals 8. Now, for some of you out there that might be confused, you're like, wait a minute, 5 divided by 5 isn't 0. 5 divided by 5 equals 1, right? And 1x just equals x, in case you're wondering why that works for us. Okay, now let's move on to the last example. Here we go. Now we got a dividing example. So let's say I have, let's go with 6 divided by x equals 3. So right now I want to get x by itself. So how do I get x by itself? Well, we're going to have to cross multiply. So I'm going to multiply both sides by x. I'm going to multiply the left by x because that cancels it out. And I'm going to multiply the right by x. So we're left with 6 equals 3x. Now, same situation that we had before. I have 3 times the number. 3 times x equals 6. So how do I get rid of it? What's the opposite of multiply? The opposite is divide. There we go. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. All right, guys. So if you like what you saw, please support the channel, like, subscribe, that whole thing. And if you really like what you saw, or if you're struggling with math, we do offer tutoring courses online. So please check out the description, sign up for tutoring if you'd like it, like, subscribe if you like it. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.